What is one possible real value of x for which the equation above is true? So if you notice that the first two and the third and fourth have like 1-3-1-3 pattern, this fall into the category of factoring by grouping. Okay, so let's go over that. So assuming you want to solve this without using calculator, what you can do is group these together. And then because you have plus here, we don't have to change anything. But let's say you had a minus here. Okay, then you have to do something about the plus here. Okay, so just be careful of what you're grouping with. So in this case, we just have to factor out the greatest common factor individually in each parenthesis. So let's start with the first one. We can pull out the x cube because x cube between x to the fourth and 3x cube will be the greatest common factor. So x cube is out. We have x plus 3. And here you can say implied 1 because many of you might be wondering, oh, there's no number in front. It implies 1 is multiplied with x plus 3. If you remember the distributive property, x plus 3 will be the greatest common factor that can be pulled out. So I'll highlight that. And this x cubed and plus 1 are the terms that goes into the second parenthesis. So we can write x cubed plus 1. And when you set that equal to 0, now we can apply the zero product property. So here, x plus 3 can equal to 0 or x cubed plus 1 equals 0. Clearly, x can equal to negative 3. And when you subtract 1 on both sides, x can only be negative 1. Not a positive 1 because 1 cube give you positive 1. But if you have negative 1 multiplied itself 3 times, then you get x equals negative 1. So what's the one possible real values of x? When they talk about real numbers, it includes negative or positive. Oh, actually both are negative. Negative integers. So just choose one. I'm just gonna go with negative 3. But you can also go with negative 1. Just don't put both. Okay? Just choose one of them.